Hey, good afternoon, More Medic One. Today we are working on a just an old riding lawnmowers. This one just happens to be a Murray 42-inch with the 14.5 Briggs. And what the deal is, everything's good here. If you remember in my last video, we put a tube inside the tire here. The most common mistake when people take these rear tires off, without a shadow of a doubt, I've actually had people bring me their lawnmower saying that their transmission quit, and I don't have any forward gears, I don't have any reverse gear, and they want a quote on a new transmission. Okay, well, let me check it out, and we'll give you a quote, but just you know, just drop it off, let me look at it, and when you call them up and tell them that all it needed was a 40-cent part, they're like, what? And they're so appreciative. But let me show you what happens. 9 times out of 10, whenever a customer has a flat tire, where is it going to be flat at? It's not going to be flat here on the driveway. It's going to be out in the back 40 back there, or out in the front yard in tall grass. And let me show you what happens. So when you slide the rim off the axle, you have, see how easy that fell out? This is the key for this axle shaft. Rotate this around, and this goes in this groove here, and this key facilitates and meshes with the hole in the rim here, or the slot in the rim here. Now sometimes this key will be stuck on the rim when you take the rim off, and whenever they go to move the rim, or they throw the rim into the back of the truck not knowing that this is missing here, the key bounces and is probably laying in the bed of their truck. See how easy that falls out? And also, whenever this is out in the back 40 and they pull this off and this key just bloop, drops in the tall grass, they ain't gonna see it. It's just gonna be laying in the grass. So whenever you are doing a tire repair, make double sure that you have your key in your axle. What I like to do is leave the key out and then slide the rim on. Like so, and then locate and rotate that around, and then slide the key in. So now the rim and the axle are married. It's one unit. Otherwise, what's going to happen is, the reason they say their transmission's bad is because the key's not in there, so the axle is just sitting there turning on the inside of the rim. So I've seen that so many times. So just be careful whenever you all pull your rims off, that you make sure you got your key installed. I always like to make a habit of replacing that E-clip every now and again, because they do get worn out some, but I went ahead and I put me a new washer on there. That one, the one that was on there, was wearing pretty thin, those thrust washers. And but anyway, guys, hey, listen, turn this thing around here. Hey, if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Pretty warm today. It's about 85 degrees, not too bad. I'm supposed to get down in the 50s again next week, or beginning of this week, and then into next week it's going to be nice outside. But hey, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all my new videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. More Medic One.